In the heart of life's journey, there lies a place where dreams are woven into the tapestry of reality. It's not just a house. It's a haven of memories waiting to be created. Welcome to a world where the walls whisper stories, and each room holds a piece of your heart. Home, they say, is where the heart is. And here, in this timeless sanctuary, the heart finds its song. This isn't just a structure. It's an embrace, a refuge from the world's chaos. It's where laughter echoes through the air and cherished moments find their stage. Do you remember the exhilarating freedom of your first bike ride? Or maybe discovering secret hideaways in the garden? Or just maybe playing hide and seek with your best friends? This isn't just a house. It's a canvas painted with the hues of life. It's where conversations flow and dreams take root. The heart of the home, where the aroma of love fills the air. A place where recipes are shared and traditions are born. Each day, as the sun kisses your dreams awake, you'll realize this isn't just a place to sleep. It's a piece of tranquility. Here, under the star-studded sky, memories are etched into the very fabric of your being. It's a haven for connection and belonging. A home like this is a symphony of life. It's where you'll write your own melodies in every note and in every moment. This, my friend, isn't just a house. It's where your life's most beautiful story unfolds. A place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. And a place that I hope you'll call home.